How to change or delete music on Instagram post. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's get started. First of all, launch Instagram. Head to the home feed, navigate to the profile icon at bottom right corner, and then choose any post where you would like to change or delete music on Instagram. Suppose if this is the post, then you need to select the three dots at top right, and here you will see variety of option. Choose edit, and top of your screen you can see add collaborators, location, AI label, or you can tag peoples, but there is no such option to change or delete music on Instagram post. So note that after posting on Instagram, you won't be able to change or delete music. So what you can do alternatively is you simply need to delete this particular post by selecting the delete icon, and then you need to simply repost or re-upload this same Instagram post with other music or without music. So this is only the alternative solution you can apply for now. If there is any updates, you can easily get it on our channel by subscribing it. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.